Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Netflix Error Code TVQ-PB-101, 5.2.5. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI-generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to play Netflix shows but are unable to do so. In some cases, certain titles may play while others don't. According to our research, this error is likely caused by audio output conflicts, especially when using external audio devices or settings that do not align with Netflix's playback requirements. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device. Simply power it off completely and wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Once it restarts, open Netflix and check for the error. If the error still comes, then try disconnecting any external audio interface. Some users reported that the issue occurred when using USB audio devices like the Behringer UMC202HD. So try switching to your TV's built-in speakers and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists and you're using USB wireless headphones, then disconnect them and try playing the show using the TV speakers. In some cases, USB drivers may interfere with advanced audio encoding, so try disconnecting them and check for the error again. If the error still continues and you are using Chromecast with Android 12, then reboot your Chromecast. If the error still comes back after a while, then go to your Chromecast audio settings and change the setting from manual to auto. Then go back to Netflix and see if the shows play. If you still get the error and are using a Roku TV, then change the audio output on the TV from auto to TV speakers and check if this helps with the error. At last, if nothing helps, then contact Netflix support for further assistance. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.